Yo people, what going on? I don't know, it's the King Boss. Welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install manually the NVIDIA drivers for your graphics card. This will work for AMD as well, but I only have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I'm going to show you the NVIDIA process. The things you will need for this process are 7-zip. This is a program which you can download for free from the internet. Obviously, you'll need an active internet connection as well, and a laptop or PC with NVIDIA graphics. This is not something you have to do. If you prefer to simply download the executable from NVIDIA's website and run it, it will work perfectly fine. I don't like the extra bloatware it has, so I prefer to install my graphics drivers manually and it doesn't add any extra bits to it. Step 1, let's download 7-zip. This is going to make my life a bit easier. Most people are going to be running Windows, and you're going to mostly be running Windows 64-bit. So you're going to choose that first option at the top that says download exe 64-bit x64 1.6 megabytes. Download and install this program. After you've downloaded the program, you're going to go to the NVIDIA website. The links are in the description again. I have an RTX 4070, but for my laptop, so it's a notebook. You can simply type in the search bar here, for example, 4070, and it will come up with every single option that there is. For me, I'm going to click on the second one because I have Windows 11. I have an RTX 40 series notebook graphics card, and mine specifically is the 4070. You can do that, or you can go through all the options here. So first off, I would choose GeForce, then I would choose RTX notebook series, then I would choose my 4070 from the list here, and then from here I would choose Windows 11, and from here English UK, and then I'll click find. Now once you click find, it's going to find two drivers for you. It's going to find the game ready drivers, which is this one here. This is the one that most people will have, but there's also another version which I actually use for my system. This is the studio ready driver. The difference between these two things is that the studio ready driver is mainly going to be used for people who are doing video editing, 3D modeling, any graphics intensive workload that does not include gaming. And the game ready driver, as the name states, is simply for people who just want a game. So this is perfect if you want to have the latest and greatest graphics drivers for the games you're playing. This is what you'll need. The installation process is exactly the same for both. I'm going to click on where it says view on the right hand side for studio ready driver first. So I'm going to go studio ready driver, click on view on the right hand side. It's going to load another window. There are two ways that you can download this. Again, I want to do this manually, so I'm going to download just the driver app. You can use the NVIDIA app to do exactly the same thing, but it normally adds some bloatware and I don't want to do it that way. So I'm going to click on download here. It started to download and it's almost finished. When that's finished, I'm going to go to my downloads folder on my PC. So go to this PC, go to downloads. If you're not sure how to get here, let me just do everything again. Click on the Windows File Manager thing at the bottom of your screen, or simply press the start menu and then type file, and it will come up with File Explorer. Click on File Explorer, then go to downloads, and this is the thing I just downloaded here. The reason I wanted 7-zip installed is that I can extract the contents of this executable file here. So to do this, I'm going to right click on my mouse and hold it down, then move my mouse slightly so that this big icon comes up, and then I let go. And from here, I'll have some options. 7-zip is the first one that comes up, then I can extract all the files. Or if you prefer to do it the other way, simply right click on the file, just a normal right click. This is on Windows 11, by the way. Go to show more options, then go to 7-zip and choose extract files. It gives you exactly the same options. I just prefer the other method because it's a bit quicker. I'm going to click on that. Once it comes up with this window here, let me minimize this. I'm then going to click on OK, and it's going to extract all the files. Once your files have been extracted, they should all be in a folder with exactly the same name as the file you downloaded earlier. Now to install this, I'm going to go to Start menu on my computer. Then I'm going to type in Device, and Device Manager is going to come up. Click on Device Manager. This window here is going to come up. And then I'm going to install the display adapters. So click on display adapters. There's a tiny arrow right next to it. On the left hand side, I'm going to click on that. I've got two graphics cards on mine. I've got the Intel graphics card and the NVIDIA graphics card. To update this, I'm going to simply right click on the NVIDIA graphics card, choose Update Driver. When this window comes up, I'm going to click on where it says Browse my computer for drivers. And now I need to tell it exactly where those drivers are. I'm going to click on Browse again. And from here, I'm going to navigate to my downloads folder. I can do that by simply clicking on downloads here. And this is the file that I just extracted. I don't need to go into any other folder. I simply need to click on the main file or the main folder for this. Click OK, then click next, and it will start installing. I think I already have the latest drivers, so I shouldn't need to do this, but this is a process that you will see. And once it finishes, your screen might flicker and it might restart the computer. This process will work with almost any drivers on your PC. So I just installed my NVIDIA graphics drivers for the RTX 4070, but this will work for stuff like your network adapter as well. So for example, I might go to Google and look for my network adapter. So that's my Wi-Fi card, my Ethernet card, and download those drivers, and I can update it in exactly the same way. I would extract the files once I download it, right click on here, go to update driver and choose the file I just downloaded download it again, and that process is how you would update drivers manually on Windows.